My name is Sushant Agrawal and I am the National Director of CASA. At this moment of huge disaster, people have suffered most, and CASA is here in Kerala to assist people to recover. We are giving the ration for 15 days, which includes about 14 or 15 items. We are giving non-food package. Apart from this, it's very important, this is the time when epidemic can break out. So we have given a lot more emphasis on wash. And wash is to take care of the sanitary aspect. We wish that the people will recover fast.